Hey guys, welcome to Tech Bytes Season 2, Episode 5. Last week's episode didn't exist, but of course this one does, because you're seeing. This is a video series where we look at 5 articles from the week, and I give my opinion about them. We are now uploading in 4K, so expect to see a big increase in quality. And if you like scary stories, stay tuned for the last bite. Anyway, let's get started. Article comes from Engadget, a multilingual technology blog network focusing on technology. They report that Cadillac's new Escalade will include a 38-inch OLED. If you're new to the concept, an OLED is a screen with a single layer rather than 3 or more layers and an LCD. This means that instead of being backlit, each pixel provides its own light, so the blacks are deeper. The screen is gigantic and is likely to stretch around the entire front of the car. The second article comes from Extreme Tech, a technology weblog about computer hardware and software science and other technologies. They report that Microsoft has released the new Xbox, the Xbox Series X. All the X's are capital, which your X will be happy. Microsoft has bridged the fundamental gap between the PC and the console. It now has full backwards compatibility between the console generations, all the way back to the original Xbox. In the PC space, you get about 15 years of backwards compatibility. Microsoft is trying to achieve that in the console space, which currently has about 2 years. I don't know if your Xbox is going to replace your PC, but it's getting pretty close. The third article comes from Apple Newsroom. Yeah, I haven't heard about it either. But whatever. Apple, Google, IKEA, and the Zigbee Alliance have started working together to create an open smart home standard. This is not like Apple, and as far as I know, Apple hasn't released anything open source in their entire company's lifetime. The project aims to make it easier for device manufacturers to build devices that are compatible with smart home and voice services such as Amazon's Alexa, Apple's Siri, and Google's Assistant, as well as others. This is really nice, but I'll have to get all new IKEA home smart devices. Sigh. By the way, new video coming out soon about that, so keep a lookout and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. And also, if you're still very eager to get that new video, hit the like button as well. I was terrible. The fourth article comes from Gizmodo, a design, technology, science, and science fiction website. They report that the Galaxy Fold 2 leaks have been released. Earlier this week on Weibo, a Chinese microblogging website, user Wang Bang Hong posted a series of relatively detailed pictures showing the Galaxy Fold 2 from almost every angle. As you can see right now, Samsung appears to be taking a more minimalist approach to the Fold with a regular hole punch camera. If the price point is anywhere near the original Fold, I don't think this is going to take off, because it's really cool, but some people just don't like change that costs so much money. So yeah, your privacy is being threatened. Your privacy is being threatened. The final article comes from 9to5Mac, a news site focusing on Apple News. They report that your location could be stored in a database alongside 12 million other phone locations. Every minute of every day, everywhere on the planet, dozens of companies, largely unregulated, little scrutinized, are logging the movements of tens of millions of people with mobile phones and storing information in data files, writes the New York Times. You should always choose your location settings carefully when using an app, and this is really scary. What makes it worse is the fact that it's being sold to data collection agencies for $100 a person. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you love the new high quality videos, you can give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and make sure to check out any of my other videos. Goodbye.